everyone, welcome to another video section of American Institute. This is Akanksha Singh, a senior student of American Institute. Today we are going to have a group discussion on the eminent topic of culture, which is Indian culture versus Western culture. So let's get started. So we have two groups. On my right, Mandeep and Deepshikha, they are going to tell about Indian culture. And on my left, Samir Kumar and Muskan Mishra, they are going to talk about Western culture. So, shall we start now?
Yes.
So, sir, before talking about Indian culture versus Western culture, I want to know from you that what is the definition of culture?
Culture literal meaning is what? How we cultivate or build ourselves. Culture or build in multidirectionally, that is ethically, socially and even in all aspects of that lead human development. Every culture enriched with good and bad features.
Indian culture is rich in its diversity, our manners, our communication method with one another is unique, and Western culture can be called as advanced culture because its ideas and values promote an advanced civilization.
Western culture can also be referred to as advanced culture. This is because its ideas and values promote the development and sustainment of advanced civilization.
Western culture has acquired an influence in India, which have adopted. But why do we only see the negative?
Even the Indian culture influenced the Western world. The globe is shrinking and we are getting closer to each other in many ways. So it's very natural for us to adopt their ways and for them to adopt ours.
Yeah, Western culture and Indian culture both have good qualities and bad qualities. We should not think that this culture is better, but we should take some good qualities of both cultures and put it use in our life.
But ma'am, Western culture may have their influence in the world. Uniqueness and diversity matter the most important in any other culture, and India is very rich in that.
Absolutely, India and its culture is completely different than any other culture on earth because there are many people from different backgrounds, color and religion, and they all have their own history and they have been living together there from a long period of time, and we are all living with harmony.
Yes, I agree. But you are talking about only one aspect. The other one is India had gone through several torments just because of this diversity.
Absolutely. As we have seen, just because of this diversity, people here are facing a lot of problems because of their religion, area and mindset.
Yeah, it creates a wall between Indian citizens.
Religion or area or any kind of tribe or community cannot be a major issue for Indians. So this is worthless and meaningless that the religion or area is the problem. And the main problem of India is illiteracy.
Of course, illiteracy is the big problem, and that's why Western culture is an adoptable culture.
You can't say that because we have seen many people with great mind as like Acharya Charaka, Aryabhatta,
Yeah,
Sri
Sri
Dronacharya.
Ramanujan.
Yeah, and we have thousands of universities that provide better education.
Well said. People of Western culture are better than Indians in every field because they mostly focus on science and technology rather than focusing on nonsense things like caste, religion, community, and as well as the country that they belong to is developed.
I can't agree with this because yes, I believe that they are advanced in the field of technology, science, but their moral value that not good. If on one hand they discovered or invented many things of technology, but
They were the reason behind atomic attacks and nuclear destruction, and they don't hesitate to be too much socialized. I want to say that being in society is better, but the way they don't feel safe to show their bodies and their personal problems that makes them absurd.
And you guys are talking about the good point of Indian culture. But have you ever realized at every point we have to follow their styles? We put on dresses of their culture, but they don't put on our dresses. We speak their language, but they don't speak our language. We eat most of Western food, but they don't do such things like that.
not agreeable, sir. Yes, we follow many things of Western culture, but even then, from bottom of our heart, we are Indian.
Okay, I'll give up the points. Sir, you are saying that we are becoming westernized day by day.
Yes.
But I want to mention that our values, our beliefs, it can't be changed. Our all the world. And it is one of the most ancient and broad culture. And as an Indian, we should proud on that culture. And Western culture may be developed, but Indian culture promotes love, peace and harmony. And this is the important thing in any culture. Proudly it's rich. And we can. And we follow the cultures because we need to keep ourselves updated. Updated, it does not mean that we should forget our history, because our history is our treasure. So nice being with you all, and we will meet soon with another topic in another video. Thank you so much all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
आइए जुड़िए अमेरिकन इंस्टीट्यूट से, जहां आपको अंग्रेजी बोलना सिखाई जाती है बहुत ही आसान तरीके से। हमसे जुड़ने के लिए आप आ सकते हैं अमेरिकन इंस्टीट्यूट, टीचर कॉलोनी, शुगर मिल रोड, खलीलाबाद, संत कबीर नगर, या आप कॉल कर सकते हैं 8795745199। थैंक यू।